Hi everyone! I'm introducing my mother's delicious Imoni recipe today. Basic ingredients are taro potato, thinly sliced beef, radish, konjac, shimeji mushroom or eringi mushroom, and green onion. I want to tell you, shirataki can be substitute for konjac. Preparation. When you peel taro potato, it's a good idea to wear plastic gloves. Cut it into smaller pieces. This is an important point. Boil these taro potatoes for 2 or 3 minutes. My mother never skips this every time she makes imoni. Rinse with water. Cutting konjac with a spoon is better to imoni. Konjac has dietary fiber and it's good for your skin. Cut radish into quarter rounds. Slice eringi mushroom. And flower petal mushroom. And cut green onion. This beef is already cut back. I recommend to cut it roughly several times. This is another important point. Cook beef in advance. Season with some sugar and soy sauce. However, I recommend cook for a short while. Let's get started to make imoni. Put 600 ml of water in a pan. Bring it to a boil. Add radish. Add konjac. Add cooked taro potatoes. Turn off the heat and turn it on again in 5 to 10 minutes. Skim the foam from the surface. Adding seasoning. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 3 tablespoons of sake. 3 tablespoons of mirin. Granulated broth. Taro and radish are cooked. Add flower petal mushroom, elingi mushroom, and shimeji mushroom. Four tablespoons of soy sauce. Add green onions. Finally, add cooked beef and its sauce. Mix all the ingredients well. Taste the broth before you serve it. Imoni is a nutritious power food. I love it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.